everybody, it's Greg from Nexus Property Management. We're here at Nexus's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And a question that I get quite often is, Greg, should I pay cash for my investment property or should I finance it? Now that's a big question. That's a big decision that you have to look in the mirror for. However, in my experience, the answer is this: you should never, ever put down $1 more, a penny more than you have to. So look at it this way. You buy an investment property. Maybe it's a 6-family property for $400,000. Do you want to put that $400,000 down, cash, boom, give me the house? Maybe you hit the mega millions and you need to put your money somewhere, but chances are you didn't hit the mega millions. So what you should be considering is how to establish the most streams of income with what cash you have available. Now, if you gave me $400,000, I wouldn't buy one house. I wouldn't buy 2 houses. I would buy, call me crazy, 6 to 7 houses with that $400,000. Minimum 4 units each house. So I would get, conservatively, 25 apartments for that same $400,000 as you would get 6 apartments for that $400,000. Same amount of money, different results. Now people say, oh, I don't want to pay a mortgage. I don't want to pay interest rates. Who cares? Who's paying it? Not you, the tenants. And who's deducting that mortgage interest? You are. The principal, not deductible, okay, not a big deal. But look at that. How many apartments I have? 25 versus your 6. And now I have 4, 5, 6 other buildings that I'm getting all those tax deductions on, all that equity that I'm building that I could potentially tap into for equity refinancing in the future. And also my tax returns are strong. I have big time income. So when I go to the bank and look for a loan or get a line of credit or do any type of transaction, looking at me like this guy is smooth and cruising. 6 units, you're okay. You're a small fish. So you need to look at it that way. You need to stretch out those dollars as far as you can. And our CEO, Nick Dagnillo, he taught me that. He said, don't ever put all your eggs in one basket. Don't do it. Spread those eggs around. And when it comes to your houses, that's 100% absolutely the truth. So 20% down payments is what I'm used to putting down. So that $400,000, you find a bunch of houses, put 20% down, and now you're in business. Now you got many more streams of income. You've diversified, okay, and also you put yourself in a much better state to grow some equity. So once again, this is Gregory from Nexus Property Management, your property managed.